Hi, Mark Kohler here, and I want to talk about the home office tax write-off. First and foremost, please do not be afraid of this deduction. There's a lot of old school accountants out there that freak out their clients and say, oh, don't take the home office write-off because you'll get audited. Wrong. If you're entitled to it, take it. Now, there are two rules, two methods, and then I want to hit a couple extra strategies that are going to blow your mind. First, the rules. This needs to be an exclusive area of your home that you use for business. You're going to look at the square footage, you're going to mark it off, and that is your home office. The IRS agents understand that you might go in there and return an email in your underwear at night. That's fine, but it needs to be dedicated to your home office. Second rule, it has to be your principal place of doing business, where you make your phone calls, you meet your customers and clients. Now, if you have a traditional place down the street, you may not be able to take the home office, or maybe you can. Wait till the end of this video. Now, there's two methods to this write-off. Traditional, which is the typical one where you take a percentage of the home office compared to the home or apartment, and then a percentage of the utilities and home mortgage interest or rent based on that percentage of use. The new one is the simplified method, out in the last few years, where you can deduct $5 up to 300 feet throughout the year for the home office, which is $1,500. May not seem like a lot, but it's simple and easy to take advantage of. Now, what do? Make sure you comply with the two rules and then choose one of the two methods and meet with your accountant about it. Now, for you S corporation owners, you can do a rent reimbursement and take a deduction at the S corp level based on the amount you would have calculated otherwise. So don't feel left out in the cold. Now, the highlight of this video is a rule that's evolved in the last 2 years in cases with the IRS. It's called the admin office, where if you have a principal place of doing business down the street, you can still have an office at home to return emails, do bookkeeping, and make phone calls, called the administrative office. Look into it, talk to your accountant, make sure you're taking advantage of this write-off, and don't be afraid of it.